What's up?
Here with Eric from Chlorine King, going to get some materials today for a job. Put in a pool heater for one of his customers.
Also doing a pump and filter.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Well, we're doing more work than I knew we were going to do. Go figure.
Well, he's only doing the electrical for the heater.
He doesn't tell me these things. I'm not important enough. So we're going to bring you guys along, let you guys see what we go through on a daily basis doing this kind of stuff. It's actually a brisk day here in Florida. It's what, 53?
Out of nowhere, yeah.
Yesterday it was 90 and today's 53. So yeah, so we're a little, you know, up us in Florida, we're not good at this cold weather thing. So you see people are dressed a little funky. Perfect, thank you.
We're good, thanks.
So I need to find disconnects first. Probably on the next aisle. I need to get disconnect. I have flex, just no wire. Yeah, interesting. There's that. Yep. Just gonna stick that one. We need to get pipe, and then you think that 50 feet was the wire length? I just said there, I should get 100.
I sent a video.
And I just don't know.
I'd be better off just getting 100, just to be on the safe side.
Where's your cart? Should leave it back here. Did it just get stolen? Did you just grab this cart from here? Did you just grab that cart?
Oh no, go ahead.
Okay.
I thought that was mine. Go ahead. Sorry.
Thank you, though. Of course. And the wire's right.
People jacking our shit.
Can't go anywhere. Alright, let's see here. 100-foot red. And is that 8? I think I grabbed 8.
No, it's 6.
Is it? Okay. 100-foot 6. It was just an 8 spot. And I have green 10, so okay. I'm good with that. Conduit is at the other end where all these people were.
Flex?
No, I was looking for the PVC fittings. I got the PVC here.
Oh,
You can stay here. I just need a couple connectors. Alright, so a few connectors, PVC LEDs, a couple 90s. We'll figure out, down with LBs, 90 across the bottom, 90 back up to the disconnect. I have 1/2-inch flex and all the flex connectors coming in and out of that. I have all the straps for that. I have about 20 feet of 3/4 pipe, so I'll grab like 30 feet, 3 sticks, 3/4 PVC. And that should be it. Should be good then. So we'll grab our pipe. It's probably a terrible camera view. I hit everything trying to get this out. Alright. We got a nice light load here. We got a nice light load today.
Yeah. So we gotta go to and we'll be able to go on the job.
I'm gonna go pick up some equipment after this, and then off we go to the customer's house to install.
Invalid scan. Please rescan your last item.
We'll skip showing you that part. I'm sure he doesn't want his credit card on YouTube.
What is the custom Chlorine King card
He
after all?
He does have a duck. So we'll give him the duck. See, Eric's a real professional. He keeps all his material in his van, unlike some of us who don't. I won't tell you who that is. Off we go. See, this is the one pause about carrying the camera. Somebody else has to carry all the other stuff.
That's me. And I'm the sick one.
Yeah, he is sick today. I haven't decided if it's mental or physical, but
Definitely one or the other. This is what friends do. They let you be sick and then you carry all the stuff.
that's true. I've heard hard work makes it go away, so I just, trying to help you out.
I tried swimming it out the first day. It didn't work so well.
Yeah, well, it's because I wasn't there to help. You can see way over there. It's easy to find us because, the dock. It's not a very sunny day in the Sunshine State.
Not at all.
There is that big old duck mobile.
It's really hard to notice it.
No, I don't think anybody will know what you do. You must be like a real estate agent or
That's
something.
what I was thinking. Maybe pest control.
I'll give you guys a little tour around the duck. As I said, some people come with all their material stocked, unlike the electrician who doesn't have this stuff.
Yeah, we have everything we need right here, and
Does it not fit?
that will.
See the other side. We'll do a little walk around for you guys. He loves it when you honk at him, so if you see him driving, feel free.
Definitely.
All right, well, I guess off to the customer's house.
We got to go to distribution first
Oh,
to get the pump.
We got to go get
filter.
pump and stuff. And you think they'll let us record in there?
I don't know.
We'll find out. Here we go. So we just got in the car here and gonna head off following the duckmobile to distribution. Pick up the pool pump and filter, and I think the pool heater was actually delivered this morning directly to the site. They're kind of big, so yeah, we're gonna go get that stuff and then we'll get underway and show you guys what we go through at these houses to install this stuff. This one's pretty easy install today. Sometimes they're a lot farther distances to run the wire and such, but this one, I believe it's only about 40 or 50 feet, and we only have to go through one block wall to get there, so it should be pretty straightforward. So yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along, and yeah, hope you enjoy this. So we went inside and placed our order and everything. We're back outside just waiting for the equipment to come out now. So
Yeah, we're gonna have one of the guys come out and bring it out, and we'll be on our way.
I'm sure they don't.
Yeah, this is the SCP in Largo. This is where I get most of my chemicals and equipment. I got the chlorine bins down there where everyone fills up the chlorine, and the employees bring out stock to us when we need it. And, great service. We'll see Jake out here in a minute, bringing out the pump and filter to me for the job we're about to do. Thank you, sir. Awesome, thank you.
All right,
Yeah.
Appreciate it, boss.
Have a good one. Here's drain covers for you.
So we're all loaded up here. So we're all done here at SCP and got everything loaded up in the duckmobile. So we're gonna head to the customer's house here now and start the install. So bring you guys along. Might do some roll on the way there, but I think we'll just catch you when I get there at that point. See ya! We have arrived. So here at our customer's house. Ooh. We've arrived. That guy again.
Yep, that guy.
We had a discussion why you weren't with us, and we took a vote.
Am I fired?
And you lost the vote.
I'm off the island.
Well, we voted that if somebody has to get wet and cold today, it was the first one to say not it, and you weren't there.
That seems
So
very fair to me.
they agreed with me that if somebody was to do it, it should be you.
We'll make Ian do it.
Oh, I like that. Ian wasn't here either. So you guys haven't met Ian, but he'd definitely be the one to do it. Sorry, I had to do a quick edit there. We had to go through the customer's house and stuff. Don't want to be showing all that. So we can go back, check out the pool and the equipment, and oh, look at that. That's a pool heater. Got delivered, I believe, this morning.
Yep.
Nice little backyard we got going on. This thing.
Yep, we're redoing all that stuff.
We got the existing pool pump and pool heater here, and existing little setup. Come back, take a look at his nice pool. As you can see, here you got the updated pool drain cover, and somebody in their infinite wisdom decided to go ahead and remove the existing pool light and cut the wire off so that I can't use it to pull in the new one. So that's going to be an interesting fiasco today to handle that. But we're going to go ahead and get everything set up here. And
Actually, I'm in a junction box right here. That's the junction box for the light, I believe.
so that pool light that I got to replace comes all the way back over, and yeah, that's the junction box for the pool light. Comes up inside the transformer box and then do a little small sub panel here. So I guess we're going to go ahead and get started here and get some things set up and get moving. So I'm going to go find a tripod here real quick to set you guys up on, and we'll get going. So I want to show you guys something. So I don't know if a lot of you guys out there drill through concrete. You know, everybody's used to using these normal SDS bits for the SDS drills. You know, basically go up to about 1 inch, I believe is about the biggest you can get in an SDS. They now make these SDS they're basically like a hole saw. So they got the center pilot bit. They make different size cups to go on them, almost like a hole saw. They go right on your SDS drill. And as you see, they make a perfectly nice round hole. So, you know, and I did that with a 20 volt DeWalt SDS Max drill. So basically, you know, you can get these, I want to say these go all the way up to almost like 2 inch. And obviously if you're going up to 2 inch, the battery drill may not be the correct choice for you. But, you know, a battery SDS, it does fine. I mean, I drilled these holes. This is block. It's hollow block. So obviously it's not super hard. But it's way easier to drill this. You get a nice clean hole. You can run your pipe in and out of it. You get your LBs, like I'll show you inside here. Inside, you got the pipe coming out of the panel. You got the LB flush against the wall, which is nice. It makes everything a little bit easier. So yeah, we're still here working at this house, trying to get everything accomplished. I like the water pipe that somebody used here with indoor wiring to go outside. I don't know what that's feeding. We haven't figured it out yet, but you see everything, kind of like transformers and you got an extension cord or power strip just dangling here with a bunch of stuff coming out for his Rainbird system. So you got to be able to do things right. If you don't want to do things right, you shouldn't be inside an electrical panel. So All right, I'm gonna put you guys back on time lapse here, and we're gonna keep to it.